Here to explain the topic of kinesiology, that is axis of ankle joint. So the axis of ankle joint is a synovial hinge joint formed by the distal end of fibula and tibia, articulating with the trochlea and the talus. Its primary movement is plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. So what is an axis? An axis is an imaginary line around which a joint movement occurs. Each joint movement takes place around a specific axis within a particular plane. For the ankle joint, dorsiflexion and plantar flexion movements occurs around the talocrural axis. So location of axis. The axis of the ankle joint passes to the medial malleolus of tibia to the lateral malleolus of fibula. It extends from the lateral malleolus downward, forward and medially towards the medial malleolus. What is an axis oblique? The lateral malleolus is positioned more distal or more posterior. Because of the two malleoli are not the same level, the axis connecting them became the oblique. Movements around the axis. The movements, as we all know, that only two movements are occur, that is dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. So dorsiflexion is the movement in which the foot moves forward towards the shin. Example are walking uphill, right? Squatting, climbing the chairs, normal range approximately 20 degrees. So then next is plantar flexion. The plantar flexion is the movement in which the foot points downward and away from the leg. Example are standing on the tip toes, then presenting a car pedal and the jumping. Right? Its normal range occurs around in the 50 degrees. Now, the oblique orientation of the ankle means the ankle movement is not purely sagittal motion. During dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, associated movements may occur, such as slightly abduction, slight rotation of the foot. So, knowledge of the ankle axis is important for goniometric measurements, biomechanical analysis, gait assessment, and orthotic or prosthetic design, physiotherapy rehabilitation, and functional importance. Then the ankle axis allows efficient transfer of body weight from leg to the foot during the standing and walking. It also helps to maintain balance, stability, and a smooth gait pattern. We will conclude the topic by the axis of the ankle joint is an oblique axis passing through the medial and lateral malleoli. It runs to the lateral malleolus downward, forward, and medially. Towards the main movements occurring around the ankle joint are dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Understanding the axis for ankle biomechanics. So, the ankle joint is also mainly helpful for the stability of the body, gait pattern. Thank you.